It was just infection after infection. I think there was, I want to say 5 or 6 infections in the one tooth alone.
For many patients, the idea of full arch treatment can feel overwhelming. It's a big decision, and it often comes with a lot of unanswered questions. Michael was one of those patients. But after a thorough consultation at Elan, those questions finally had clear answers.
The care, to be able to answer your questions and not be in a rush, and to educate you about the whole process. It's priceless. It's a major change in your life.
One of the biggest concerns patients have is pain during the procedure and in the days that follow. Within 24 hours after surgery, patients receive a temporary full arch set of teeth designed for comfort and healing.
Honestly, I think the very next day after they did the surgery here, the very next day, I should say that day, I was not in pain at all. No, the recovery was, it was like almost like it didn't happen. There was no pain, or very little pain. I was shocked that the very next day they fitted me with a denture, which just amazed me that, the very next day I've got a temporary denture. And everything just fits so well. It's, I'm almost like, I want to say back to normal. It's been a wonderful process here.
Because of a difficult experience in the past, Michael felt anxious and uncertain about moving forward with treatment.
This has been 2 years ago. It's right now. It's been 2 years ago since I had that denture in my mouth, and I still hurt from it. He had put in 4 implants. The 2 front ones, it was just infection after infection. I think there was, I want to say 5 or 6 infections in the one tooth alone.
When Michael began researching his options, he wasn't just looking for a solution. He was looking for a place where he could feel safe and supported.
I think when I searched out a place to go after the other dentist, one of the things that was very important to me was sedation, because after all the shots I'd had, and just I can't do that anymore. After reading on the website here, how they deal with that, and they talk very in depth on the website about how they handle sedation, and I was like, that was probably the number one thing that drew me here. But then to realize that they have an in-house lab, I was like, wow. I mean, this is, and not just one doctor, there's several doctors, there's so much better. I wish I had come here in the first place.
Following his experience at Elan with Dr. Moeller, Michael wanted to share a message with those who are still searching for the right place to go.
I would do everything in my power to try and get somebody to come here. I would highly recommend it here. Just, I don't know if there's other places out there in the world that's like this. I don't know, and I don't care because I'm happy here.
Sometimes the most meaningful recommendation comes from someone who's already lived the journey.